assembling Ikea furniture. We're gonna do what I consider a quintessentially New York thing, which is take a boat to Ikea. I've got my pouch full of edibles. The boat is named Frank Sinatra. Will it make me good at building furniture? The seats are boiling lava hot on my ass, just so everyone knows. I ate 2 Genius by 1906, which are precision edibles designed to make you a genius. As a person of ADHD experience, they're coming for me. I ate 2 1906 Genius drops, which equals 5 milligrams of THC. They are formulated with other stuff like L-theanine and caffeine to make your brain work well. I'm feeling like a genius! That's the police. This is just like that movie Captain Phillips. This is like that movie Wall Street. Isn't there a movie called Skyscraper? Are you lying? This reminds me of that movie Skyscraper.
There's our destination. This is like that movie, The Perfect Storm. The beginning part when everything was fine. Nobody knows that I ate an edible.
If E equals MC squared. I know it's my job to advertise the weed, but I really do feel optimized right now. High five. You can always find a man sitting on a couch at Ikea looking at his phone. What is on the TV? That is a stressful image. Hi, guys. This is what I got. It's gonna weigh 8,000 pounds. She's gonna bring it out. We're gonna assess it. I'm gonna try to bring home the dresser, period. That was 35 pounds. That one's 68. I'm home, I'm showered, I'm in my comfy clothes. Javelin. Me without genius. Me high off the brain edibles. Phillips head, flat head. A screwdriver I've never seen before. Flat head, Phillips head, circle? Ow! Come on, I'm not. It's normal to feel daunted when you look at this. It's normal. Ouch, I've already hurt myself. I'm tired, Grandpa!
Well, that's too damn bad.
Why am I like this?
Hack. Pre-drilled holes are a convenient storage place for your tools.
All screwdrivers are not magnetic. You've lived a life of privilege, if that's your experience. Actually, the instructions say the next step is fall into a hole and die, and then you don't have to finish. I don't even need a drill for this. I'm just screwing these in with my fingies. I had to take a small break for morale, but I'm back. And I'm building the drawers. And I'm gonna finish this today. It was a long day, but I would not have made it if I hadn't ingested the edibles that remind me of a prescription drug. If you take ADHD medication and also smoke weed, can't recommend it enough. I'm so tired. I'm sorry. I feel like I should be perky and it should be like good advertising, but honestly, it's a miracle that I made it through the day, and it's because of the edibles. So, Genius by 1906 is available at Gotham. I did that.